Bro, it's backwards. It's right here.
Oh yeah, you can see there.
So sorry about that, guys. We're gonna start.
Well, guys, this is our first day. It's raining.
No, it's rained a lot of other days, but
Nope.
this is actually the first day of a video that we do on raining. So,
Yo, guys. So
can I tell them that
no, maybe. Look, guys.
yeah?
Here is rain.
So, guys, if you've seen the science video, I was bunny on it, and that microscope was mine.
Yeah, I didn't want it. Guys, look at this. Dang, the rain stopped, guys. Guys, the rain stopped.
Well, we should do this video about something else then.
Look, guys. Look, guys. It's wet. Look, guys.
Yeah, you can see my Rubik's Cube.
Guys.
I'm just gonna lock you out for a second.
Look, guys. This. Oh my god, guys. The rain stopped.
And there's lots of lights and cars and things.
All the cars in this place are wet, but some in the garage are not.
Hey, do you think I should show them how to solve the Rubik's Cube?
How about do another day? Look, guys.
It's gonna be really quick.
No. Oh, another day, okay? No, guys. Rain, 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 rain. Okay, bye, guys. Don't forget to subscribe to my other videos. Bye-bye, guys.